Things that ADHD told me would change my life if I bought them at 2 a.m. Welcome to this week's episode. So, we've got a light now. This is actually really good. It projects pictures on the ceiling. I do a video of it, but it's not live because it doesn't have my face in, and currently the TikTok algorithm is busy violating things and says that they're AI if they don't have a face in. Friends. Secondly, a bedazzling kit. That is worth it. Look, I bedazzled. Did it on a live this morning. A butter spreader, so what it does is the butter goes through there, which softens it, and then you can spread it so that it's never hard. A soap dish where the water runs out of the bottom, so you don't end up with like horrible sticky soap. A pill, to be fair, this is really good. This is a pill box. When you go away, you've got like 7 different sections. Good for chronically ill me. This is for my plants, to keep the leaves, to keep the stems apart together, if you know what I mean. This is one of those swirly things, but it arrived broken. And finally, I got these for my little friends. These are K-pop printy things. Stamps. That's what they're, stamps. So all you do is you can do them on paper, or you could make your own little tattoo. You just put them there. Look, I'll put all these things in the basket, and if you've got any questions about any of them, let me know.